Hello guys, welcome sa aking YouTube channel, yung Ski Food Trip Vlog. To this video mga palangka, I just want to share with you guys the ambience outside here. And as we're traveling here, I would like to share with you all that if you can see all the buildings over here are very nice building and very beautiful building. So in this area we are going to Batangas, and this is the citrus in front of the car, so that we have some aroma inside the car, and it's very nice smell. So and I like it very much. So this is it, and keep on watching because there's a lot of things happening here and there, so that and hopefully you all enjoying watching my video. So this is it, and stay tuned mga palangga, because we are going to this very nice hotel. Charot, ganon, but I don't know if it's really nice, but we can see. And this is it. This is the now we are inside the hotel now, and look at this, my apogis, and he walked like a frog and he said that he's a frog anyway. Yeah, so that's why. Dali, punta ka dito, sige. See? You look like a palaka talaga. Puntay mo sa pool. Alin yan? Ang init talaga, grabe. Brr. Kugaga. Kaya ganda. Wow. Sir, ito na. Wow! Thank you. Wow! Eh, akala ko butter chicken.
Sir, 64. Wala na lang kung nalaiyak. Extra rice.
Ayun. Dali. Distribute.
Lagi lang nagkakulang.
Yan o. Kaya magpakita ni Mami ba eh. Dali na din. Sa pool ngayon, kaya ayan. So, start swimming na po kami mga palangga. Ayan, dito pa, ikot ka dito para makita ako. Ayan. Hello guys. Good. Stop.
Mami, tignan mo.
Wow,
Ako.
ang sarap o, diba? Wow, kumukulong tubig. Oh, yay! Wow.
Uy!
Oh, pasakit. Ayan na. Ang sarap. Nandito kami guys. Pakita ko sa inyo. Dito kami sa Infinity Pool. Ayan. Ayan siya. Oh, gamay. Ayan. Wow, ang sarap mga palangga. Palangga, ayan. Wow, this is a nice sunset here at the Infinity Pool. Ayan, Infinity Pool. Hotel Mariano. Ayan. Sunset is over there. Kung makikita niyo po mga palangga, ayan. Ayan.
Yo!
Wow! Ayan. Sunset. Sunset.